Here we are at Carowinds Camp Wilderness Resort in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Stick around, we're going to check it out.
All right, so I'm going to give you a quick tour around this park. Ellen and I were here since last Sunday. It's Sunday today. It's our travel day. We worked in the rig for most of the week, so the only opportunity we had to go around this park was to walk the dogs. Then we went down to Charlotte, North Carolina yesterday. This is in North Carolina, and we went to a couple of parks, so we've got some video to show you there. Today is our travel day, and it is going to be a messy travel day. It rained like crazy last night, and then I discovered that we got something going on with the rig, and I'm going to talk about it a little bit more, but I'll give you a little bit of highlight. I'll probably do a separate video about it as I work out the problem. So, like I said, I was getting ready. Let me just turn the camera around. So it's travel day, so we're getting ready to do all our kind of things. I got the store lines, dump the tanks, all that kind of stuff. And then as I was over here, I noticed that this light was on. And then after checking that out, I'm kind of walking around and I saw that these lights are on as well, but these are not, and we're not hooked up to the truck. So as an RV tech, I've got a thing called Tominator. So I put that on to the 7-way and tested the rest of the lights, and everything worked. Brake actuator worked and all that kind of stuff. So I suspect, due to some heavy rains that we got last night, that there's some water intrusion somewhere causing a problem. So I'm going to have to check that out before we roll. I checked out the brake actuator with my tester and stuff, so that's all good. So I don't have any concerns about that, but I'm going to have to figure the rest of that out. All right, so let me show you what we got here. This is our site. This is $199. For you guys that are interested in how the internet works, $199 has a really good clear view of the sky for Starlink, and the T-Mobile and Verizon 5G service is really good here as well. All the campgrounds have a little fire pit like this. Comes with picnic table. This is our front yard. Pretty good spot. Again, $199. So this is our front yard of grass. The roads are all paved. This is a paved site, and I think many of the sites are paved. You can almost see every site in here. It's not a really big park. This road goes down there and around, comes up here. Of course, we're all self-contained, so we don't use any of the facilities. There are a few long-term rigs in here, but not too many. Oh, here's a little back-in site. A lot of back-in sites. I think maybe those are pull-ins over there, or pull-throughs. Yeah, and of course over here you got trees that would block your Starlink. Guy down here that I met has his Starlink out on the grass. Just got to watch for the what do you call it, the lawnmowers and stuff. Let's see, I can't go around there, can't walk through that site. Let me turn around and go this way. I'll give you a little bit of a run around up the other side. We're located in Carowinds, North Carolina. I don't know what it is. It's kind of a section of Charlotte, I suppose. Right near the South Carolina border, and there is the Carowinds Amusement Park. I'll show you some video of that from the air, drone video. Show you what that's all about. And this is likely the departure route for the Charlotte airport. You're going to hear a jet come across right now. So it is pretty noisy starting at about 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning. You will hear these jets, and they go right above it. You can see them, read the numbers off them almost. We got overcast today, so you really can't see them coming, but trust me, it's up there. For a Sunday morning around 9:30, doing the maintenance here, probably cleaning up from the heavy rains last night, so not too quiet. There's some industrial stuff over there, just parking lots and stuff. And here's a typical road. So full hookups. I didn't have any issues with that. I think we lost power overnight, which is another thing that's got me thinking that maybe the light problem on the RV is not necessarily water related, but I don't know, still weighing heavily that it's water related. Yeah, you can tell the rain has really washed out some of this, but there's no real puddling or pooling, so I don't think you have to worry about that. It is big rig friendly. You can see a few Class A's in here, big one over there. I had to pre-plan my route getting out of here, so Ellen and I drove around last night and made sure how we're going to get out, because it is a little, the turns are a little tight, I guess, and there's trees on the side, so you got to watch to make sure you don't hit those. Oh, here's some flooding on this one here. This is site 183, so you might want to avoid that. This one's nice and raised. So checking in is really easy. You come in clearly marked, easy to get in and out of in terms of the check-in process. As we depart today, we'll know how easy it is to get out, but I think we won't have any issue. I've seen some big rigs getting out of here even this morning. Yeah, so I don't know that there's much more to say about it. All right, so I was just finishing up editing the Carowinds video and noticed we didn't have a lot of detail about the park itself. So we're going to put in some of the park that we went to around town, a county park that we went to. And then we also went down around the city and stuff, and we went out and got some snacks. But going forward...
So Buster wants to be on the video as well. And Scott, I just noticed you do have your glasses on with the sticker, so that's very exciting.
Yes, it is.
So we all know what number glasses you wear.
Excellent.
So, yeah, so let us know in the comments below what you'd like to hear from us doing, if you enjoy seeing the different places where we stay, the different areas, the parks. You just want to hear us bantering back and forth all day long like we do, what our daily routine is. Let us know. We are continuing on our way up the, not really the East Coast, but heading north. We've had some fun adventures along the way after we left Florida, so we're going to keep going. We're headed towards a reunion of our RV dealership, so that'll be fun. And then we're going to make that big left turn, Scotty.
Yeah.
So keep going. There we go.
All right, so yeah, put in the comments below what you'd like to see more of in these videos. We want to bring video value to you, so we need to know what you want to do. We put a lot of work into the video, but I don't want it to be wasted. Want to give you the value, so let us know in the comments below. Thanks a lot.
Here we are at the park. Park. It's called Freedom Park. We parked our car back there.
So far, I think North Carolina has some of the best parks we've seen. What do you think?
Yes, they're beautiful parks.
Are you confident in that statement?
I'm very confident in that statement. This is quite a lovely park.
Yeah, the other one we went
The
to.
dogs seem to enjoy it as well.
Lots of stuff to sniff.
Yes. I think there's a creek over here.
Oh, let's go.
See. Oh, yes.
Oh, can we get down there? Yeah, let's get down there. I'll get down there. Are there people down there? Oh, they're on the other side. Okay, let's go down. I'll use them to pull me back up.
Or pull you in.
Let's go going.
And Buster's in. Is it cold, Buster?
No, Harley attacks him after that.
It's like she scolds.
All right, go up. Pull me up the hill.
Phew. Oh yeah, look, there's a path that you could walk down there. Pretty bridge.
What town are we actually in?
Charlotte,
Oh, it is Charlotte.
I believe so.
Or is it like a...
I don't know.
There's always little towns right outside of the main city, right?
Yeah.
We'll have to look it up.
That's my arm. I'll throw you in.
What'd you say?
I said that's a beautiful tree. Very symmetrical.
Where'd you get Ellen?
I just got some fun treats that I don't
me
have to
see.
bake. I got a brownie. I
Are you
got
gonna let us see them?
no. They're all packaged up. I got oatmeal raisin cookie for you. I got peanut butter cookie for me. A chocolate chip cookie. Oh, geez, a monster chocolate chip cookie.
Oh, geez.
And a big old brownie.
That's it? Oh, man.
There you go.
And how much was that?
I don't know.
How much?
$14.
$14? Okay.
And
Wait.
it's called not Villains. Villani's Bakery.
All right, wait till you see what I got.
Scott's getting an acai bowl, fruity stuff. I'm getting the good stuff right here. What'd you get, Scooter?
I got one of these bowls in my quest for the perfect bowl. But let me tell you something about this bowl. This is their large,
Yes.
and it comes with a bunch of stuff. And it's a good thing you have a job, because this was $26
Shut up.
before tip. Yes, $26. So it better be good.
What does it have in it? Gold?
No idea. It's got peanut butter, acai, pineapple, strawberry, blueberries, kiwi, coconut flakes, and honey and granola. $25 plus tip. Crazy. It was pretty good.
It should
At
be.
Rico's.
Rico's.
All right.
Wow.
Oh, and banana. That's banana. Did I say banana? It's got banana
Yeah.
and peanut butter.
Oh,
Okay.
geez. And a blueberry that got away. Don't waste it.
All right. Well, hey, that was a pretty basic campground. Had everything we need. It was turned out to be easy to get out of, a lot easier than I had anticipated. And it's very conveniently located down there, a few miles from downtown Charlotte. And Charlotte, is that where we're at? Yeah. And then it's right next to that amusement park. So if you're into the amusement park, right next door, makes it convenient. You could actually walk on over there. Good place to walk around there too. You can get kind of behind the park and see the operation, stuff like that. It's pretty cool. So we have finally made it up here to Mill Hall, Pennsylvania for the Riverstone Rally at Bill's Happy Camper. We're at a fairground that's right across town from their shop. So we'll be hanging out here for the next few days. That light issue that I talked about in the beginning of the video, I did finally figure that out. I'll be doing another tech video on that. Ellen's not with me for the first part of this week at this rally because she's traveling, so that's why she's not in the video here. Let's see, what else? So as we said, you know, we make these videos, we're not really sure what you guys want to see. So if you could put in the comments what you like, what you like, what you don't like, what you want more of. You want more tech? Do you want more out and about stuff, our daily, dealings, stuff like that? Just let us know. And so here we are at the end. As usual, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe. And if you think anybody else get value from this content, please share it out to them. Thanks for watching. Leave the comments below. Catch ya.